If you are into self-hosting, deploying MyIP via Docker takes less than a minute. This video is not sponsored by any company or developer. All content is provided for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. You can run it on your home server, a Raspberry Pi, or a VPS, giving you a private. Ever wondered how much information websites instantly gathering the second you visit them? Your IP address isn't just a string of numbers. It reveals your approximate location, your internet service provider, and whether your connection is leaking your true identity. And now it's time to open your terminal and copy the repository link, Docker container command. Wait until all the layers that waiting in the list be downloaded and complete. This process depending on your internet speed, so I'm gonna speed up the video. Now it's time to open your browser. To access to dashboard, you need to access to localhost. When you open the dashboard, it immediately displays your IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, your exact geographic location, your ASN, and your ISP details. But it is not stopped there. It includes advanced features like DNS leaks detection, WebRTC test, and connection latency checks. I wish if this 2 minutes was useful for you.